Whether you're going out for just a short day ride or a multi-day overland adventure deep into the backcountry, Tusk has cargo kits to meet your needs. Each kit is machine specific, so you'll never have to question compatibility. The Explorer Interior Kit gives you all the best interior cargo options to keep your gear organized and secure inside the cab, including our seat cargo racks that maximize cargo space. The Journey Kit, a great way to add ample storage space to the back of your machine with 2 weather-sealed quick-release cargo boxes and your choice of the Tusk aluminum or Defender roto-molded cargo box. Want a way to keep your food and drinks cold and add storage? Then you need the Adventure Cargo Kit. This kit adds a 3rd quick-release aluminum cargo box plus the Rider Cargo Cooler mounting rack built specifically for the Yeti 35-quart Tundra cooler. And for those wanting to go deep into the wilderness, there's the Overland Kit. This kit takes the Adventure Kit to a whole nother level by adding the Tusk UTV rear bumper, cargo rack, and spare tire carrier, and the Adventure Roof Rack. Designed to work with the Tusk aluminum roof, this roof rack is built from high-quality 1/8-inch powder-coated aluminum that encloses all 4 sides and converts your entire roof into cargo space. So no matter what your needs are, no matter how deep you're going on your adventure, Tusk has a cargo kit built for your needs. Scroll down below to get your kit today.